Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, parking sensors, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, remote engine start, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find leather seats, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi, I'm Kurt Nye. Before you buy, give us a try.
Get ready to play big and save big with DeLand Nissan during the 2018 Model Year End Savings Event. Save on the 2018 Nissan Sentra, impressively styled and crafted just for you. Or the family-friendly SUV crossover, the 2018 Nissan Rogue or Rogue Sport. Or you can work smart and play hard in the 2018 Nissan Frontier truck. Save big on all 2018 models before the end of the year, but only while supplies last.
It's not just a Nissan.